Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to teach you grammar. Okay, what the topic is adverbs. Okay, I think grammar is very important. You should learn the grammar correctly. If you learn the grammar correctly, you can able to speak or write in a correct way. Okay, so grammar is very important. So today page number um, page number 97, it comes actually, this grammar comes under, what is it, climate change is not hysteria. That lesson backside exercise is there, so no problem. Adverbs is very important for you. Okay, so here they have, taken from the lesson listen to the mountain. Okay, page number 97. Rudrapa and Kannan are talking excitedly. Okay, excitedly. So in that excitedly they have underlined the word. Okay, excitedly they underline the word. And then why they have underlined the word? Because it is the adverb. What do you mean by adverb? Adverb is describes the verb. Okay, in a sentence, for example, she walks slowly. Okay, walks is the verb, slowly, how she walks is the adverb, slowly is the adverb, walks is the verb. So here, so talking is the verb. Excitedly she is over excited, we are telling, no, excitedly, that is adverb. Okay, and then Dikshit and Sagar look around in panic. Okay, so here Dikshit and Sagar look around is underlined, that around is the adverb. They are starting work tomorrow. Okay, they are starting work tomorrow. Tomorrow is the adverb. So what do you understand about the adverbs which are underlined? Okay, they are asking. The underlined words are, we are telling as a adverb. What do you understand they are asking? Okay, do they answer? Okay, do they answer, how, when and where? Okay, how, when and where? Okay, first one is, okay, the third sentence, they are starting work tomorrow. Okay, so when? Okay, it will ask when, so the answer is tomorrow. So these adverbs, they have the question how, when and where. Okay, first one is excitedly, that one is, how she is talking, how he is talking, so he is talking excitedly. And then look around in panic, look around in panic. So where it is. Okay, look around where. And the next one, tomorrow, is when. So it will arise the questions when and where, when, how. So now we are going to see adverbs. Okay, adverbs modify verbs, sometimes adjectives and other adverbs. They tell us how and when and where things happen. Now we are going to see one or two questions on our examples. Listen. How, when and where. Okay, it will arise this type of question. When you see that adverb, you can understand. Okay, we live peacefully. So here peacefully is the adverbs. How he live. Okay, how we live. So it will arise this question, how we live. We live peacefully. So this is adverb. And then second one, Anand came yesterday. So yesterday is the adverb. Okay. So when Anand came, when Anand came is the, what is that? Answer is Anand came yesterday. Yesterday is the adverb. Understand? And then what else? I look around. I look around. So around is the adverb. Where? Okay. It will arise the question where. I look around that place. That is okay. Now next one. He ran fast. So fast is the adverb. So here this is adverb. This is adverb. And then we will go tomorrow. Okay, we will go tomorrow. Tomorrow is the adverb. When? It will arise the question when. When he will arrive. When we will go. We will go tomorrow. So that is adverb. And then she searched everywhere. So everywhere is the adverb. Okay, everywhere is the adverb. So where? It will arise the question where. Where she searched. She searched everywhere. And then speak softly. Softly is the adverb. Okay. So how she speak? She speaks softly. So softly is the adverb. And then I shall call you later. When you will call me? You are asking, no? So I shall call you later. Later is the adverb. And then come here. So here is the adverb. Where to come? We are asking where to come. So come here. Okay, come here. So it will tell what is it? Where you want to come. So here, so it is the adverb. Adverb. It modify the verbs, adjectives or other adverbs. They tell us how and when, where things happen. So example says, we live peacefully. Peacefully is the adverb. Okay. And then Anand came yesterday. When he came. Yesterday is the adverb. And then I look around. Where he looked around. So around is the adverb. I ran fast. So fast is the adverb. We will go tomorrow. Tomorrow is the adverb. She searched everywhere. Everywhere is the adverb. Speak softly. Softly is the adverb. I shall call you later, adverb. Come here. Here is the adverb. Later is the adverb here. Softly. So wherever the underline in your textbook, everything they have given, page number 97. Your work is to see the textbook and what are the underlined words they have given. You want to see that. Okay. So adverbs is modify verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. They tell us how, when and where things happen. Okay. So I hope you all understand this chapter, adverb. So if you have any doubt in this chapter, you can ask me through mobile. Okay, so um, it's a very easy only. I think you have studied in lower classes and all this adverbs and all, very easy. So if you have any doubt means you can ask me through mobile. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.